Jocelyn McClellan with Fit Mission Makeup. I'm coming at you right now using Maskcara Beauty for a 5-minute makeup look. Not only that though, I'm bringing you a 1-minute makeup look, 5-minute makeup look, and a bonus of a 10-minute makeup look, and how you could achieve a killer face using one compact for your whole entire face, and the rest is magic. So here we go. You think that you need a quick makeup tutorial, maybe a 5-minute face, something easy for moms, some makeup tutorial that's easy for school, or maybe a quick makeup tutorial for work. I'm gonna bring at you 1 minute, 5-minute, 10-minute face. We're going to record. You ready for this? Gonna pin back the hair so we're good to go. Nothing in my way to just knock out my 1-minute makeup look. All right, timer set. What do I have time for? On your mark, get set, go. Here we go. All right, 1-minute makeup. I have no time for hardly anything, but I wanna make sure I get lips done, right? This is my compact for Maskcara Beauty. Everything all in one compact. Here we go. 40 seconds left. 40 seconds left. I wanna give myself a little bit of liner, not too dark, but something that's gonna make it look a little more finished, a little more polished. 28 seconds left. Here we go. Ooh, just like that. Throw on some mascara. I'll pretend I'm putting it on my top lid. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. And done. 2 minutes, 2 seconds. 2 seconds left. Done and done. You're welcome. All right, so we didn't get a lot of stuff done, got a little bit of eyeliner. You have to decide what is most important for you. Is it covering redness? Is it doing your brows? Is it getting lip stuff on? For me, mine's finishing my outer edges so I look like I have a little bit of something done, and getting lips on, mascara. Let's move on to 5-minute face. I'm gonna set the timer for 5 minutes. I have 5 minutes to get something done. What's most important, once again, for me in my 5-minute look, truth be told, using mascara, I actually have quite a bit of time that I can knock stuff out, and I'm gonna show you my 5-minute face. So here we go. 5 minutes, setting it right now. On your mark, get set, go. My 5-minute face, here we go. Whoa, whoa, just kidding. 5 minutes. Main foundation. minutes and 7 seconds left. Can she do it? Can she do it? We're at 1 minute and 50 seconds left. Dang it! Just wasted me some seconds. I'm putting this little green color right there in the corners. Just spruce it up a bit. 1 minute, 23 seconds left. Gonna add on some brows really fast like. Just a quick brow. Not a super detailed brow. And what else? Oh, illuminator. Illuminator. And I'm done. I'm done. Oh, I'll pretend I'm putting my lips on again. Oh, oh, oh. I need to blend out my chin. Done and done. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna add 5 more minutes, or 4 minutes, whatever, onto the timer so we can see if I had, 10 full minutes, what could I get completely done? We're gonna rock this out. So a 10-minute look, 5 minutes are back on the timer. It's gonna die on me again. What do you do? Okay, so this is a little like, I could go out with this look, or I could go to school, I could go to work. All the things for an easy makeup look just for you using Maskcara Beauty all-in-one compact. It's so easy. I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos that I have, but I talk about the ease of the makeup. I've done a contour video, I've done the whole entire face in depth with mature skin. Anything that you want to know of, there are more. So if you haven't checked this page out before, check it out so you can learn more about Maskcara Beauty and why I love it all so much. Everything's in one compact. You can do bigger sizes than this, smaller sizes than this, but we're gonna finish it out for our 10-minute look. I'm gonna focus on the eyes a little bit more and make sure that my contour is just right where I want it to be. My cheeks, that too, my cheeks, and then we're just gonna finish rolling it on out. Okay, 5 minutes. Let's do it to 4. Let's do it to 4, because that's probably truly what I had. 4 minutes. Here we go. All right, we're gonna finish out these eyes just a little bit more intense. If we wanna make it a date night, we can. But you can do all your makeup in 10 minutes. Isn't that amazing? I mean, you can always go into in-depth more. You can spend more time doing it if you want, but just to know the possibility is there, to be able to just finish off your look that quickly is pretty dang awesome. Oh, and I love that color. It's called Kin, this purple one right there. And then I put on this one right there. And this is the one I started with. This is Bubba. So Bubba and On Wednesdays and Kin. Why am I wasting time? This is timed. Oh, but do I have time to waste time? Because that would be magnificent. All right, I'm gonna put on a little bit more eyeliner. That green that I started out with. I'm gonna get it on my inside lid. And I want to add a little bit of a lip liner. Normally I would do this before, but we kind of did things out of order here. Right? We got 1 minute, 55 seconds. Darken the lips up just a bit. And I want to finish out these brows a bit more. What time we got? 1 minute, 26 seconds. Oh yeah. Okay, and I'm going to clean up any lines that I need to. Powder. Powder first if you want a dewy look, and powder last if you want more of a matte makeup look. So then I can go in and set. And then I'm gonna put a little bit more lashes on. Oh my gosh, I got 9 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. Done. I did it. 10-minute makeup look. Stop. 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 Thank you. There is your 10-minute makeup look. So not only did I give you a 10-minute makeup look, but I gave you a 1-minute makeup look, and I gave you a 5-minute makeup look, a 10-minute makeup look, and you're good to go. Now you could always spend a little bit more time than this, but I want something that can be easy makeup for you. I want something that can be good for beginners. I want something that can be compact on the go as you're traveling, however it is that you want it, that's what I want. I want a makeup look that is good for mom life, or for work life, or for going to the gym and wanting to take hardly anything life. That's what I want. So we got 1 minute, 5 minute, 10-minute makeup look, all done. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, done. All right, there you have it. I brought to you an easy makeup look just for you. We captured easy eyes. It took me about, I don't know, 1 minute each. No, 1 minute total. It did not take much time at all for this easy makeup look. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 minute, whatever time that you have, I want you to feel like you can give it whatever you want to give it. You can go as intense with your makeup or as light with your makeup. The choice is yours. Using Maskcara Beauty, it makes everything a lot easier. Hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more, you can subscribe below. You can turn on the bell so that the notifications just ring-a-ding-a-ding at you. Whatever you want, but I'm here for you all the way. If you need to contact me, you can always check me out on my email at jocelyn@fitmissionmakeup.com or Instagram at jocelyn.mcclellan. We also have Facebook as well, Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan. Thanks, you guys. We'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, Lance. Oh, this. Goodness. Do you really think people get what easy makeup really is? I forgot to put cream bronzer. I forgot my bronzer. I forgot the best bronzer ever. Blasts. Oh, my lands. How to contour. I mastered that. I mean, we got it fast. How to contour. Easy makeup tutorial. That's what this was. Got that. Trying to make sure I'm covering all the things. I wanted easy. I wanted 1 minute. I wanted 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Something that beginners can use, something that people who aren't beginners can use so that they have all their makeup needs covered. I think I got it. If I didn't get it, they'll let me know. Maybe we'll get it next time.